DOOSAN ENERBILITY Viet or DOOSAN Vina is a 300 million industrial complex built on 100 hectares on the coast of central Vietnam's Quang Ngai province. The company specializes in the manufacture of power plant equipment to light the way, cargo container cranes that drive global commerce, desalination plants to quench the thirst of millions, modularization and high-tech structural steel for infrastructure and industrial projects. History. In November 2006, our investment certificate was granted, and in May 2009 we held our grand opening. The first products were shipped in February 2009, signaling DOOSAN Vina's entry onto the global stage of heavy industry. Achievements. Until 2021, DOOSAN Vina has completed 392 projects that are now hard at work in 35 countries around the world. In total, the Made in Vietnam equipment produced by DOOSAN Vina weighs in at an impressive over 500,000 tons, with a total orders value of more than $3 billion. At DOOSAN Vina's boiler shop, we produced and are adding 20,000 megawatts of electricity to the grid of India, Brazil, Saudi Arabia, Japan, Indonesia and in Vietnam. That is 1.242 megawatts, Mong Duong 2. 1,200 megawatts, Vinh Tan 4. 600 megawatts, Vinh Tan 4 extension. 1,200 megawatts, Song Hao 1. And 1,330 megawatts Gi Sun 2. Currently, we are working on 1,330 megawatts, Vung Ang 2 thermal power plant. If this total megawatt is only for Vietnam, it can supply enough electricity for the whole country in nearly 6 months. At the Material Handling System shop, we have produced a total of 97 cranes for some of the world's busiest ports like PSA in Singapore, JNPT and BMCTPL in India, Samarinda in Indonesia, Saudi Global Port in Saudi Arabia, and in Vietnam they are Saigon New Port, the Port of Da Nang, the Port of the Gi Sun Refinery, Gemalink Port, and upcoming is Nam Dinh Vu and Nam Hai Dinh Vu ports. Over at the water shop, we proudly include the UAE, Chile, Saudi Arabia, Iraq, Kuwait, and Bahrain as desalination customers. Our nearly 4,500 tons and as tall as a 5-story building desalination plants can produce nearly 1 billion liters of water per day to satisfy the daily needs of 2.5 million people. Also, we have been expanding our business to structural steel, modules, and fired heaters for worldwide industrial projects, power plants and refineries. We have been manufacturing 73 modules weighing nearly 17,000 tons for Samsung engineering customer to install at the Ruwais refinery in UAE, 39 units. And the Sarawak methanol plant in Malaysia, 34 units. We have also been supplying nearly 4,600 tons of fired heaters components for the Thai oil refinery in Thailand. In addition, we are also in preparation to enter the market of supplying fuel cells, hydrogen, and several products for offshore wind power plants and renewable power plants. Engineering. Engineers are at the core of our operations and represent nearly 24% of the workforce. Most of the remaining workforce are skilled and highly trained technicians who fabricate and manufacture our high-tech products for power, water and port logistics. Key to our operations is the constant and consistent cooperation with our Korean headquarters staff to keep abreast of advancements in technology, design, safety, quality, and production. CSR. In concert with business operations, DOOSAN Vina is deeply committed to its CSR or corporate social responsibility program that focuses on health, education, and housing. We believe these are basic foundations for a stable community. We cooperate with Chung Ang University Hospital of Seoul to bring doctors to Vietnam to examine, give medicine, free heart surgery, cleft lip, cataract, gynecological diseases for nearly 30,000 local residents. Donate medical equipment and transfer technology to the local doctors. In addition, DOOSAN Vina has been involved in a series of other CSR activities, such as giving scholarships, upgrading schools, houses, and notably is the donation of a near $1 million desalination plant to the people of Bin Island. Along with developing its own business, DOOSAN Vina is also bridging other Korean FDIs to invest in Kwang-gai, improving the domestic mechanical sector by localizing operations and transferring expertise and technology to local companies. Our motto is, building your tomorrow today, is the thread that is woven into the fabric of all we do, and is our commitment to our customers, employees, and Vietnam. Proud people, proud DOOSAN.